Welcome back, friends. Now we are going to see two properties of arithmetic progression. These two properties are, suppose if we have arithmetic progression with a is the first term and common difference is d. Now suppose k is any constant. If k is any constant and if you add k to each term of the AP, that is your AP is a plus d, then a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on. So if you add k to each and every term, whatever new sequence you will get will also be in arithmetic progression, with only the first term will change. Now the first term will be a plus k, but the difference is d. This is the first property. Listen again. If you add any constant number to each term of the arithmetic progression, whatever new sequence you will get will also be arithmetic progression, with the first term is a plus k, that constant which you have added, and common difference is d. The second property is, now again there is a arithmetic progression with the first term a and common difference d, and k is any constant number. Now if you multiply each term of the AP by k, then whatever sequence you will get will also be a arithmetic progression, with the first term ak and common difference dk. Listen again. Once I added k to arithmetic progression and once I multiplied terms by k, k is added and k is multiplied. When it is added, the new sequence is arithmetic progression with the first term a plus k and difference d, and when it is multiplied, the new arithmetic progression, the first term will be ak and the difference will be dk. So this is the property. These two were the properties of the arithmetic progression. Now before going to these examples, one important thing we'll see in the quadratic equation or simultaneous linear equation chapter also. But whenever you have been asked to take 4 consecutive terms, 3 consecutive terms, 5 consecutive terms, what we should do, that I am going to tell you. If in this chapter, in the following examples, if you are asked to take 3 terms, then you should not take a plus d, a plus 2d. No, you take a plus d and a minus d. You should take these 3 terms. Whenever you have been asked to take 4 consecutive numbers, whenever you are asked to take 4 consecutive numbers, you should take a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d and a minus 3d. Now please note that the common difference here is 2d and not only d. Here it is d. Whenever you have been asked to take 5 terms, you should take a, then a plus d, a plus 2d, and then on the negative side a minus d and a minus 2d. Please note this down, because wherever the word problems are there for the arithmetic progression, you will be asked to take 3 consecutive terms, 4 consecutive terms, 5 consecutive terms, and in that case you should take these terms, these numbers. Okay, so let us solve a few examples on this. The first example is find 4 consecutive terms. Now they are asked to find 4 consecutive terms. So let us write the 4 consecutive terms first. So we have a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. These are the 4 consecutive terms. Now they say that the sum of the middle 2 terms is 18. So these 2 terms sum is 18. So first we get a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 18. D will get cancelled. So we have 2a is equal to 18. So a is equal to 9. The first we got this. Then they say the product of two n terms means two corner terms is 45. So a minus 3d and a plus 3d is equal to 45. Is it not like a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square? So here we get a square minus d square is equal to 45. We know that a is 9. So 81 minus 9d square is equal to 45. So we have 9d square is equal to 36. So d square is equal to 4. So d is equal to plus or minus 2. So once we get d plus or minus 2 and we get a, then we can substitute in this series, this sequence, and we can find out the first consecutive terms. Now in this case you will get two sequences, right? One with plus d, that is d equal to 2, and the second sequence you will get d equal to minus 2. Okay, so quickly pause your video here and substitute a is equal to 9 and d is equal to 2 first in this sequence, and then a is equal to 9 and d is equal to minus 2 in this sequence, and you will get two sequences. Pause your video and solve this quickly. Ultimately, as an answer, please check your answers. You will get these four numbers or these four numbers. These are the consecutive four numbers satisfying the given condition. So remember, three numbers, three consecutive numbers, four numbers, five numbers. You will be always asked that the sum of the middle two, or the product of the end two, or the sum of the squares of the middle two, something like this will be asked, and you have to solve the example. First find the value of a and d. Substituting a and d, we will get those numbers, three numbers, four numbers. So let us solve one more example. Find the three consecutive numbers in an AP whose sum is 27 and product is 504. Now they ask three consecutive numbers. So first write the three consecutive numbers: a minus d, a, and a plus d. These are the three consecutive numbers. Okay, what they say? Sum is 27. So a minus d plus a plus d is 27. So a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 27. Let us see what will get cancelled. D will get cancelled, and we get 3a equal to 27, a equal to 9. And then they say their product is 504. What is their product? A minus d, a into a plus d is 504. So I have a into a square minus d square is equal to 504. Now I can substitute the value of 9 here. 81 minus d square, this 9 will go here. 504 upon 9. 56. So we have, pause your video and calculate d here. Shift 81 there and find out the d. So d is plus or minus 5. So now we have got the difference also. Now just substitute a and d in these three and you will get the three numbers. But again, now you will get the two answers. One will be with the plus 5 and one will be d equal to minus 5. So substitute and find out the two set of answers. Answer is 4, 9, 14 and 14, 9, 4. These are the three consecutive numbers. So you have to write the answer in full sentence. The three consecutive numbers are 4, 9 and 14, or Three consecutive numbers are 14, 9 and 4. Okay. So now let us solve exercise 1.5. Thank you. So friends, we have learned this topic thoroughly. We have solved some examples for practice, but we are going to solve all the exercises which are given in the book along with the problem set, then the HOTS, some paper solutions, everything we are going to solve. For further solution of exercises and problem set, please purchase our DVD. You can buy our DVD online by visiting our websites. The address for the websites or the place where you can buy your DVDs are given just below this video in the description. Thank you very much.